Welcome to the Yukon, a land of vast wildernesses, untouched and untamed. Join us now as we journey into the heart of the Yukon, exploring its hidden wonders and discovering the raw beauty that has captivated explorers and adventurers for centuries. The Yukon Territory, a land sculpted by time where towering peaks pierce the sky. These are the St. Elias Mountains, home to Canada's highest peak, the mighty Mount Logan. Reaching almost 6,000 meters above sea level, it stands as a testament to the raw power of nature. These mountains are not barren and lifeless, no. They are etched with valleys carved by ancient glaciers, their slopes cloaked in forests of hardy spruce and fir. In the spring, the snow melts, feeding a network of rushing rivers and streams. By summer, wildflowers carpet the meadows, a vibrant contrast to the rugged peaks above. As autumn arrives, the landscape erupts in a blaze of color. And then, winter. A time when the mountains are cloaked in a blanket of snow and ice, a pristine wonderland for those brave enough to explore it. The Yukon is a land teeming with life, a place where the wild truly reigns supreme. Here, in this vast wilderness, animals roam free, unbound by the constraints of human civilization. Their lives are intrinsically linked to the rhythms of nature, moving in harmony with the changing seasons and the ebb and flow of the land. The forests echo with the calls of birds, a symphony of sounds that herald the start of a new day. Listen closely, and you might hear the distinctive drumming of a ruffed grouse, a sound that resonates through the trees like a heartbeat of the forest. Or spot the flash of blue as a Steller's jay darts through the undergrowth, its vibrant plumage a striking contrast against the green foliage. In the clearings and meadows, moose, the largest of the deer family, browse on willows and aquatic plants, their massive forms moving with surprising grace. Their enormous antlers, a symbol of strength and power, can span up to 2 meters across, making them one of the most impressive sights in the Yukon. And where there are moose, there are often wolves, the ever-watchful predators of the Yukon. These highly intelligent predators, with their piercing yellow eyes, play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem, ensuring that no one species dominates the landscape. But perhaps the most iconic animal of the Yukon is the grizzly bear, a true symbol of the wild. These solitary creatures, weighing up to 600 kilograms, are a force to be reckoned with, embodying the raw power and untamed spirit of the Yukon wilderness. As darkness descends upon the Yukon, a magical transformation takes place in the night sky. The heavens come alive with vibrant hues of green, blue and purple, dancing and shimmering in a breathtaking display. These are the northern lights, also known as the aurora borealis. This celestial ballet is caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with gases in Earth's atmosphere. The colors we see depend on the type of gas involved and the altitude at which the collisions occur. The Yukon, with its long winter nights and minimal light pollution, offers some of the best aurora viewing opportunities in the world. From late August to mid-April, the night sky becomes a canvas for this celestial spectacle. Imagine standing beneath this celestial kaleidoscope, the air crisp and cold, the only sound the gentle crunch of snow beneath your feet. Water, the lifeblood of the Yukon, flows through the territory in an intricate network of rivers and lakes. These waterways have shaped not only the land, but also the lives of the people and animals that depend on them. The mighty Yukon River, one of the longest in North America, snakes its way through the heart of the territory. For centuries, it served as a vital transportation route for indigenous peoples and later for gold rush stampeders. Kluane Lake, nestled amidst the St. Elias Mountains, is another of the Yukon's aquatic gems. Its crystal-clear waters, fed by glaciers and snowmelt, reflect the towering peaks like a giant mirror. These lakes and rivers are not only beautiful, but they also teem with life. Salmon, trout and grayling are just a few of the fish species that call these waters home. In the southwestern corner of the Yukon lies a place of unparalleled beauty and grandeur, Kluane National Park and Reserve. This vast expanse of wilderness is a sanctuary for those seeking solace in nature's raw and untamed beauty. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a vast wilderness of towering mountains, immense ice fields and pristine forests. The park's landscapes are a testament to the Earth's geological history, shaped by the relentless forces of nature over millennia. At its heart lies Mount Logan, Canada's highest peak, its summit perpetually shrouded in snow and ice. Standing at 5,959 meters, Mount Logan is not just a mountain but a symbol of the park's majestic and formidable terrain. Surrounding Logan is a sea of ice, the Kluane ice fields. These ice fields are among the largest non-polar ice fields in the world, stretching as far as the eye can see. These massive glaciers, some flowing for over 60 kilometers, are a testament to the power of nature. They carve through the landscape, creating deep valleys and feeding the park's many rivers and lakes. But Cluane is more than just ice and rock. Its diverse landscapes range from lush valleys to alpine meadows, each teeming with life. It's a place of incredible biodiversity. The park is home to a wide array of wildlife, each species playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. Dhole sheep, their massive curled horns, a symbol of the wild, scale the steep slopes with ease. These agile climbers are often seen navigating the rugged terrain, a sight that leaves visitors in awe. Grizzly bears roam the valleys, their presence a reminder of the park's untamed nature. These powerful creatures are a vital part of the park's ecosystem, playing a key role in maintaining the balance of nature. And in the skies above, golden eagles soar effortlessly, their keen eyesight scanning the landscape for prey. These majestic birds are a symbol of freedom and the wild spirit of Cluane. For those seeking adventure, Cluane offers unparalleled opportunities for hiking, camping, and wildlife viewing. Whether you're an experienced mountaineer or a casual hiker, the park's trails and campsites provide a chance to connect with nature in its purest form. Journey north in the Yukon and the landscape undergoes a dramatic transformation. The forests thin, giving way to vast expanses of tundra, a land shaped by permafrost ground that remains frozen year-round. Here, only the hardiest of plants and animals can survive. Low-lying shrubs, lichens, and mosses hug the ground, their shallow roots adapted to the thin layer of soil that thaws each summer. Despite its harsh conditions, the tundra is teeming with life. Caribou, their hooves adapted for traversing the spongy ground, migrate across these vast plains in search of food. Musk oxen, their thick coats providing insulation against the biting wind, graze on the sparse vegetation. And in the brief summer months, the tundra bursts into bloom. Wildflowers in a dazzling array of colors carpet the landscape, attracting insects and birds from afar. It's a fleeting but spectacular display of life's resilience in the face of adversity. Much of the Yukon is cloaked in a vast emerald tapestry, the boreal forest. This expansive forest stretches as far as the eye can see, a seemingly endless sea of green that changes with the seasons, from the vibrant hues of summer to the muted tones of winter. These forests, dominated by coniferous trees such as spruce, pine, and fir, stretch across the territory, a vital part of the global ecosystem. They play a crucial role in carbon sequestration, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Step into the boreal forest and you enter a world of towering trees, their branches forming a dense canopy overhead. This canopy provides shelter and habitat for countless species, creating a complex and interdependent ecosystem. The air is filled with the scent of pine needles and damp earth, a sensory experience unlike any other. The forest floor is a rich tapestry of mosses, lichens, and fallen leaves, teeming with life and constantly renewing itself. These forests are home to an astonishing array of life. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, the boreal forest supports a diverse range of species, each playing a unique role in the ecosystem. Red squirrels scamper through the undergrowth, their chattering calls a constant soundtrack. These agile creatures are always on the move, gathering food and defending their territory. Woodpeckers hammer at dead trees, searching for insects. Their rhythmic drumming echoes through the forest, a sign of their presence and a reminder of the forest's ongoing cycle of life and decay. And high in the canopy you might spot the bright flash of a scarlet tanager or hear the melodic song of a Swainson's thrush. These birds add a splash of color and a symphony of sound to the forest, enriching the sensory experience. The boreal forest is also home to larger animals. Moose, with their impressive size and strength, navigate the forest with ease, their long legs allowing them to move through deep snow and dense underbrush. Moose, their long legs allowing them to wade through deep snow, browse on the vegetation. They feed on a variety of plants, including leaves, twigs, and aquatic vegetation, playing a key role in shaping the forest landscape. Black bears, their claws sharp for tearing into logs in search of grubs, are a common sight. These powerful animals are omnivores, feeding on a wide range of foods from berries to small mammals, and their presence is a testament to the forest's health and abundance. The Yukon is a land sculpted by ice. Across the territory, glaciers, those mighty rivers of ice, have carved valleys, gouged out lakes, and left their mark on the landscape. One of the most spectacular examples is the Kaskawulsh Glacier, located in Cluane National Park. This massive glacier, over 70 kilometers long and up to 3 kilometers wide, flows slowly but relentlessly downhill, its surface a jumble of crevasses and seracs. As the glacier moves, it grinds against the bedrock, picking up rocks and debris that are carried along for the ride. The meltwater from glaciers feeds the Yukon's rivers and lakes, providing a vital source of fresh water for people and wildlife. But as the climate warms, glaciers around the world are shrinking at an alarming rate. As our journey through the Yukon comes to an end, we're left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. This land of untamed beauty, with its towering mountains, abundant wildlife and breathtaking natural phenomena, has captivated our imaginations and left an indelible mark on our souls. We hope this journey has inspired you to learn more about this remarkable territory and to join us in protecting its wild beauty for generations to come. Until next time, keep exploring,